Here are the 3 most viral satisfying DIY craft niches you need to know about right now. Some of the creators you see here only recently started posting this type of content, and several of their videos are already generating millions of views. To help you create these videos yourself, we've built 3 custom GPTs and 3 Claude Skills that guide you through the entire process. You can access them on AI Centuries. Simply open the GPT library, search for Cardboard Build Studio, and start a chat. When you're in the chat, first click Show me 8 cardboard ideas. It will instantly give you 8 different ideas to choose from, or you can simply type in your own idea. For this example, I think a satisfying cardboard project would be a Dutch windmill. Once you send your idea, it will create an optional image prompt and a detailed video prompt for you. Now, copy the image prompt and head over to Higgsfield. To compare the results from different image models, I'll use GPT Image 2, Seedream 5, Nano Banana 2, and Nano Banana Pro to generate the images. Here's what each model delivered. After quickly comparing all the generations, I found that GPT Image 2 created the most realistic-looking cardboard model. So let's use that image and turn it into a video. Now, go back to the chat and copy the video prompt. Then, head back to Higgsfield, where we'll use Seedance 2 to generate the video. First, I'll show you the results you can get when using an image as a reference. Paste in the video prompt, and since we're using a reference image, add the sentence, "Use the attached image only as the final design reference." Then, tag the image. Next, set the video duration to 15 seconds and click Generate. Once it's finished, you'll have a satisfying cardboard crafting video like these 2 examples. Personally, I think the prompt-only method produced a better result than using a reference image. However, this is something you'll need to experiment with. If you want the final design to look more specific, using a reference image may be the better option. Next, I'll show you how to create videos in the Woodcraft niche using Claude. To follow along, go to our website, click Shop, and select Claude Workflows. There, you'll find everything used in this video. You can also access it through the link in the description below. First, choose the workflow you want to use. Once you have it, download the file. In Claude, click the plus icon, then go to Skills. Next, click Manage Skills, select Add, and choose Upload a Skill. Now, drag the Woodcraft carving workflow into Claude. Once it has been uploaded, it will be ready to use. I've already added it, so I won't upload it again, but you can follow these same steps whenever you want to add another workflow. Next, type a / followed by Woodcraft. When it appears, click on it to attach it to the chat. Then, type something like Start, and Claude will begin guiding you through the process. For example, it may ask what you would like to create. You can reply with, "Give me 8 ideas." In return, it will generate 8 Woodcraft design ideas for you to choose from. Once the ideas have been generated, you can select the ones you like by saying something like, "I want numbers 1, 2, and 4. It will then create an image prompt and a video prompt for each selected idea. Once your prompts are ready, you can simply tell Claude, "Use Higgsfield to generate the image prompts with Nano Banana 2. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the resolution to 2K, and the batch size to 1 image per prompt." If you've connected Higgsfield to Claude through its MCP integration, you can communicate with Higgsfield directly from inside Claude and ask it to generate both your images and videos. Once the images have been generated, you'll be able to view them directly inside Claude. And as you can see, the exact same images also appear inside Higgsfield, which confirms that the integration is working perfectly. Generating the video is just as easy. You can simply say, "Generate the video for carving the F1 racer." In Higgsfield, use Seedance 2 Mini. Set the duration to 15 seconds and use a batch size of 1. Claude will then communicate with Higgsfield, apply the correct settings, and generate the complete woodworking video for you. Now, let's move on to the final use case, Fruit Carving Studio. Just like before, open Claude, attach the Fruit Carving Studio skill, and type Start to activate it. The skill will ask what you'd like to create. I'll start by asking for 8 fruit carving ideas, and within seconds, it generates 8 unique concepts. For this example, I'll choose one by saying, "I want a sunflower bloom carved into a watermelon." The skill will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for that design. This time, we're going to do things a little differently. First, we'll ask Claude to generate the images using Nano Banana 2. I'll also ask it to generate 4 variations so we have multiple designs to choose from. Once the images are finished, you'll notice another really useful feature. Simply click on one of the generated images and select Animate. Claude will automatically prepare a video generation prompt for you. Now all you need to do is choose the model you want to use. In this example, we'll use Seedance 2 Mini. For the prompt, simply tell Claude, use the video prompt called Carving the Sunflower Bloom that was created earlier in this chat. This tells Claude to use the exact video prompt that the skill already generated. Next, set the duration to 15 seconds and start the generation. Just like before, Claude communicates directly with Higgsfield through the MCP integration, sends all the correct settings automatically, and starts generating the video for you. A few moments later, the video is ready. As you can see, it created a beautiful sunflower bloom carved into a watermelon, the same satisfying style of content that's getting millions of views across TikTok and Instagram. And that's it. If you'd like to use the same workflow, you can find all the tools, Claude Skills, GPTs, and resources used in this video in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.